to determine the activation energy. Our first question is at 27 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius specific rate of first order reaction is 1.3 10 की पावर -3 second inverse and 2.6 10 की पावर -3 second inverse respectively. Calculate the energy of activation for this reaction. R equals to given data 3.4 joules per degree per mole. Joule, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. So this is our question. So in this question, two temperatures are given and two rate are given and the value of R also given. So we write answer given data. Rate of reaction specific rate constant at T1 is K1 which is equals to 1.3 10 की पावर -3 second inverse. Specific rate constant at T2 is K2 which is equals to 2.6 10 की पावर -3 second inverse. Temperature T1 is 20 degree 7 degrees centigrade or 27 plus 273 equals to 300 Kelvin. Temperature T2 equals to 37 degree centigrade or 37 273 equals to 310 Kelvin. Last, gas constant R equals to 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. So these are the given datas in this question. Now we write we know that L log K2 upon K1 equals to EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2, or we can write EA equals to, first we move these terms, 2.303 R multiply log K2 upon K1 multiply these terms T1 upon T2, T2 minus T1. So these come out by moving these terms into left hand side. Now we put the values of given datas. 2.303, the value of R is 8.314, the value of K2 is 2.6 10 की power minus 3 upon 1.3 10 की power minus 3, multiply 310 multiply 300 upon 310 minus 300, hence EA equals to, came out equals to by solving this equation it came out equals to 2.303 8.314 log 2, if we divide 2.6 with 1.3, the value came out equals to log 2 multiply 300 upon 10. So EA come out equals to 53.598 kilojoule per mole. So this is the value of activation energy EA. So in this type of question, the given datas are in terms of rate constant and the temperatures and the gas constant. So we have to put only these datas into our equation. So on solving this mathematical problem, we get the value of activation energy. So in this question only EA is asked. So the value of EA is came out equals to this 2.303 multiply R multiply log K2 upon K1 multiply temperature difference. So this is the way to calculate the EA of a reaction. Now we take another problem to understand another type of question. Question 2. Hydrolysis of benzene diazonium chloride is a first order reaction. First order reaction at 25 degrees centigrade, its rate constant is 2.8 10 की पावर -3 minute inverse if activation energy is 11.9 kilo calorie mole inverse, what will be the value of rate constant of this reaction at 35 degree centigrade. So, in this question the given data is 25 degree Celsius the rate of reaction K1. If activation energy is this, if the activation energy of this is equals to 11.9 kilocalorie per mole, then we have to calculate the value of K2 at 35 degree centigrade. So, again we write answer given data. First, rate constant at T1 temperature equals to 2.8 10 की पावर -3 minute inverse. Value of activation energy equals to 11.9 10 की पावर 3 calorie, or we can also convert these terms into joule. If we required, we have to convert this value into joule. Other given data are temperature T1 equals to 35 degree 25 degree, or we can write 273 plus 25 which equals to 298 Kelvin. Temperature 2 T2 equals to 35 degree centigrade, or we can write 273 plus 35 equals to 308 Kelvin. So, these are the given datas. We can also write gas constant equals to 1.987 calorie per mole per Kelvin. So, these are the given datas for this numerical problem. Now, we determine the value of K2. We know that log K2 upon K1 equals to EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. We have to determine the value of K2, so we can write this as log k2 minus log k1 equals to minus EA upon 2.303 R T2 upon T1 T2, or we can write log k2 equals to minus EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 T2 plus log k1. So in this type of problem, first we convert this into log k2 minus log k1 by using logarithm properties. Then we move this term into right hand side. Here it is in negative sign. When we move this from left to right, it becomes positive sign. Now we put the values. Log k2 equals to minus 11.9 10 की पावर 3 2.303 1.987 multiply 308 minus 298 upon 308 multiply 298 plus log 2.8 10 की पावर minus 3 log 2.8 10 की power minus 3. So from this equation the value of k2 is came out equals to 5.37 10 की power minus 3 minute inward. So first in this question we have to solve this numerical data and this logarithm problem. Then we take anti-log to know the value of k2. Means in this we have to take anti-logarithm to calculate the value. So first we solve this data with the help of calculator or anything. Then we take anti-log, the value of come out from these two equation or two component. So by solving this, the value of k2 is come out equals to 5.37 multiply 10 की power minus 3 minute inverse.